हेलो गाइस, ये वीडियो उन्हीं लोगों के लिए है जिन्हें बस नोट्स बनाना या सॉफ्ट पढ़ाई करना पसंद है। तो चलिए, ये मल्टीमीडिया का यूनिट फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स एंड मल्टीमीडिया है, जिसके अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन टू मल्टीमीडिया, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एनिमेशन एंड सिमुलेशन, वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया इन एजुकेशन, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, बिजनेस एंड गेम्स ट्रेनिंग। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Computer graphics. Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures, lines, charts, etc. using computers with the help of programming. Computer graphics is made up of number of pixels. Introduction to multimedia. Multimedia is a software technology that combines different media like sound, video, image, and text either separately or in combination using computer. Multimedia means that computer information can be represented through audio, video, and animation, in addition to traditional media, text, graphics, drawing, image. Multimedia is a representation of information in an attractive and interactive manner with the use of a combination of text, audio, video, graphics, and animation. Multimedia is a computerized method of presenting information combining textual data, audio, visual, video, graphics, and animation. For example, email, Yahoo Messenger, video conferencing, and multimedia message service (MMS). Multimedia, as name suggests, is the combination of multi and media, that is, many types of media, hardware, software, used for communication of information. Concept of animation. Two concepts of animation: sequence and stretch, anticipation. नहीं, 12 concept of animation: sequence and stretch, anticipation, staging, straight ahead, flow through and overlapping action, slow in and slow out, arc, secondary action, timing, exaggeration. Solid drawing, APL. तो फर्स्ट है sequence and stretch. This action gives the illusion of weight and volume to a character as it moves. Example: a bouncing ball expands on impact. Feet appear longer and fatter when hitting pavement. Second है anticipation. This movement prepares the audience for a major action the character is about to perform, such as starting to run, jump, or change expression. Example: jumping character would bend knees and swing arms back. Third, staging. A pose or action that clearly communicates to the audience the attitude, mood, reaction, or idea of the character as it relates to the story and continuity of the storyline. Example: seeing a character in the distance with their head in their hands sets the stage for a sad mood. 4. Straight ahead and pose to pose animation. Strategy for developing your animation. Strategy ahead animation. Start at the first drawing and work drawing to the end of skiing. Pose to pose. Planned out and character drawings with key drawing done at interval throughout the skiing. The gaps are filled in. Next, follow through and overlapping action. Follow through. When the main body of the character stops, all other parts continue to catch up to the main mass. Example: arms or long hair move after character has stopped. Overlapping action. When the character changes direction while his clothes or hair continues forward. Example: Bugs Bunny stops, turns around, but his legs continue in the opposite direction. Next, slow out and slow in. As action starts, we have more drawing near the starting pose, one or two in the middle, and more drawing near the next pose. Slow ins and slow outs soften the action, making it more lifelike. Fewer drawing make the action faster. Example: old lady driving should take many frames for slow action. More drawing make the action slower. Example: car case should take few frames for fast action. 7. Arcs. All action with few exceptions such as the animation of a mechanical device follow an arc or slightly circular path. Arc give animation a more natural action and better flow. Example: a throw ball travels in a curve, not a straight line. 8 number, secondary action. This action adds to and enrich the main action, adds more dimension to the character animation, supplementing and or reinforcing the main action. Example: a small yawn equal to a small chest movement. Big yawn, erected arms movement and several facial movements. 9. Timing. The pace of the action. The more drawing between pose, the slower and smoother the action. Fewer drawings make the action faster and crisper. Expertise in timing comes with experience and experimentation. Use the trial and error method. Number 10. Exaggeration. Exaggeration is a creature of facial features, expressions, pose, attitudes, and actions. Example: Bugs Bunny sees a girl and his eyes bug out of his head. 11. Solid drawing. The basic principle of drawing forms: wet volume, solidity, and the illusion of three-dimensional applied to animation as it does to academic drawing. The way you draw cartoons, you draw in the classical sense using pencil, sketch, and drawings for reproduction of life. Example: your drawing should be proportionate, head not too large, legs not too long. Next, last, appeal. A live performer has charisma. An animated character has appeal. Appealing animation does not mean just being cute and cuddly. All characters have to appeal, whether they are heroic, villains, comic, or cute. Cut. Example: Ursula in Little Mermaid is a character you love to hate. Arrival is lovable. Element of multimedia. First, text, a broad term for smoothing that contains word to express smoothing. Text is the most basic element of multimedia. A good choice of words could help convey the intended message to the user's keyboard. Graphic. Graphic makes the multimedia application attractive. They help to illustrate idea through still pictures. There are two types of graphics used: bitmap, pentagraphics, vector, draw graphics. Bitmap. Bitmap Bitmap images are real images that can be captured from devices such as camera or scanners. Vector. Vector graphics are drawn on the computer and only require a small amount of memory. Third, audio. A multimedia application may require the use of speech, music, and sound effects. These are called audio or the sound element. There are two basic types of audio sound: analog, digital. Analog audio refers to the original sound signal. Digital audio refers to the digital sampling of the actual sound. The sound used in multimedia is digital audio. 4. Video. Video provides a powerful impact in a multimedia program. In multimedia applications, the digital video is gaining popularity because of the following reason. Video clips can be edited easily. The digital video files can be stored like any other files in the computer, and the quality of the video can still be maintained. The video files can be transferred within a computer network. It allows non-linear editing in any part of the video. However, these digital video files are large in size. Transferring these files can take a long time, especially when using the internet. 5. Animation. The state of the method of making films, computer games, etc. with pictures or models that appear to move. Simulation. A computer simulation or sim is an attempt to model a real life or hypothetical situations on a computer so that it can be studied to see how the system works. Simulation is used in many contexts such as simulation of technology for performance tuning or optimizing, safety engineering, testing, training, education, and video game. There are three types of commonly used simulation: live, virtual, constructive. Live simulation involving real people operating real system. Involve individuals or groups, may use actual equipment, should provide a similar areas of operations, should be close to replicating the actual activity. Next, virtual. Virtual simulation inject human in the loop in a central role by exercising motor control skills. Example, flying on airplane. Decision skill. Example, committing fire control resources to action. Communication skills. Example, member of a CUI team. Third, constructive. Constructive simulation offers the ability to analyze concepts, predict possible outcomes, stress large organizations, make measurements, generate statistics, perform analysis. Various applications of multimedia. Use of multimedia in education. In the arc of education too, the multimedia has a great importance. Talking particularly about the schools, their usage has significant role to play for children also. It is broadly used in the field of education and training. We used audio for importing education even in traditional method, where charts, model, etc. were used. Nowadays, the classroom need is not limited to that traditional method, rather it needs audio and visual media. With the use of multimedia, everything can be integrated into one system as an education. Add. The PC contains a high quality display with mic option. This all has promoted the development of wide range of computer based training like online training. Next, use of multimedia in gaming industry. One of the most exciting applications of multimedia in is games. Nowadays, the live internet is used to play gaming with multiple players has become popular. In fact, the first application of multimedia system was in the field of entertainment, and that too in the video games industry. The integrated audio and video effects make various types of game more entertaining. Next, business. Business application in multimedia are presentation, training, marketing, advertising, product demos, catalogs, network communication, and voicemail. The presentation is very useful in many aspects of work. and life because those are important in business to sales training, teaching, lecturing, and generally entertaining an audience. Presentation allow us to lecture in front of audience and to present our product or project. Presentation can be used in oral multimedia power, point presentation, educational or training sessions to giving simply a talk on a subject to group a voluntary basis for pleasure. In this is to facilitate small business and your employees, customers and potential customers of communication. We have used the multimedia in business. Marketing is easy to persuade the customer to buy a product. In business have different customers, they have teenage already people and many, so we can use the multimedia because that can make then easy to understanding it. These are the most common photo sharing marketing strategy. Next, development. The multimedia approach helps the students to develop higher order thinking skill. It provides easy access and fast delivery of tutorials, cursor material, tests and quizzes to user. With the help of multimedia, students can learn at home without any personal instructor or teacher. It also saves the time of writing. Scientific research. Multimedia is an effective method of teaching science which will enhance the academic achievement of students. Multimedia provides the teacher with many possibilities in creating teaching strategy. Using the internet, pupils quickly find the required information. Next, entertainment. Entertainment and media industry are benefited by multimedia technology. Image, animation, and sound are broadly used for creation animation. Movies. A computer is broadly used by musicians to record, edit, and mix sound. It is used to entertainment, series, games, comics, and stories for children. Video and entertainment films are formed using computers and stored on CD-ROM. Music can also be stored on CD and played using multimedia software packages such as Media Player, etc. Some of the techniques commonly used for creating video films for different purposes like video editing, mixing and 3D animation. थैंक यू। यहीं पर आपका यूनिट फर्स्ट ख़त्म होता है, जो कि केवल एक नोट्स में हेल्प करने के लिए बनाया गया था। अगर आपको समझ के पढ़ना है तो उस पर भी वीडियो जल्द ही आ जाएगा। तब तक के लिए नोट्स बना लीजिए और खुद भी थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए। बस मैं हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू। और अपने दोस्तों में भी शेयर कर लीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक